Let's see how to properly remove and install the blade on a 3-thread overlock machine. The lower blade should be raised parallel to the top of the needle plate. Do not move the lower blade above or below the plate. The large thumb screw on the top left side is used to tighten and loosen the blade. When the upper blade goes down, it should go down below the top of the lower blade, closing so that there is no visible space between the two blades. When the upper blade is at its maximum height, there should be enough space between the two blades to allow the fabric to enter. Also, the front thin area of the upper blade should be further below the top of the lower blade. Do not remove the two screws at the front of the upper blade holder and the screw at the top between them. If you look at the left side of the upper blade holder, there are 2 more screws. Do not remove those 2 screws. To remove or install the upper blade, use the screw on the right side of the upper blade holder. If the upper and lower blades do not touch each other evenly after installing them, that means the 2 blades are not aligned properly, either aligned in front but not in back, or aligned in back but not in front. At that point, you can turn the upper blade parallel to the lower blade by tightening and loosening the 2 left screws. Remember how the blades of a pair of scissors work, and you will understand how to adjust the blades. After adjusting the blade properly, raise the presser foot so that it does not rub against the blade.